Now, when you look at this is a kind of simplified yet still complex explanation of how they get to the valuations here in a different way. The total addressable market for this is about 28.5 trillion. That means, again, if they had everybody in the world using their products or services, minus Russia and China, the serviceable addressable market, 1.62 trillion. So who's realistic? And then the serviceable obtainable market is 160 billion, assuming over 10 years they capture 10% of the market share. Now, the revenue projections on that are 50 to 80 billion. The multiplier using 20 to 30 times would take it to a 1 to 2.4 trillion dollar valuation. It's likely going to open in that area, maybe potentially on the high side, but if you actually do the math that you would do doing an analysis of a company profits and whether or not it makes sense to buy it, you're buying it based on some pretty big assumptions, making the assumption that they're going to capture, well, let me rephrase that, making the assumption that they've already gotten the revenue, which this kind of optimistic valuation says would maybe take them 10% of the market share over 10 years. So again, it's just really saying that it's valued really, really high. And we're having trouble finding anybody that disagrees with that. You know, the one thing that you will see if you search the internet enough is everybody's kind of agreeing it's high, but I think FOMO is kicking in and everybody just doesn't want to miss out. And that's fine. Put a couple bucks in if you want. That's your prerogative. We just want you to understand it a little bit better.